Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Welcome to CR Maths class. See the question, the area bounded by the line x is equal to 1 and the curve under root y by x plus under root x by y is equal to 4. How to do this problem? So here do one thing, let under root y by x take t. So this is t plus root x by y means 1 by t, that is equal to 4. Find the t value here. So by taking LCM and cross multiplication, finally we get t square minus t plus 1 is equal to 0. What is t value? Minus b plus or minus under root b square. B square means 16 minus 4ac divided by 2a. Students, overall observe that numerator will come 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4. How much? 12. That is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 divided by 2. So what happened finally? T is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. Students, what is t? Under root y by x. 2 plus or minus root 3. So take squaring on both sides. Y by x. Apply the squaring on both sides here. 4 plus 3 plus or minus 4 root 3 will come. That means y is equal to 7 plus or minus 4 root 3 into x. This is the final curve. This is in the form of y is equal to mx or not. Now draw the curve. Draw the curve. Then you will understand. Y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. This is y is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. Observe that approximately it is less than 0 or not? Less than 0 or more than 0? Root 3. Root 3. So what will come? So we can take approximately. For suppose this is another one. 7 y is equal to 7 minus 4. Where is x is equal to 1? Here. This is the area. This is one area. This is another one. So if 0 to 1, this is upper curve, this is lower curve. Students, are you understood? Now, so I am going to write required area. Required area is equal to integration 0 to 1, 7 plus 4 root 3 into x dx minus integration 0 to 1, 7 minus 4 root 3 into x dx. Now apply the integration 7 plus 4 root 3 integration x dx x square by 2 limit 0 to 1 minus 7 minus 4 root 3 7 minus 4 root 3 integration x dx x square by 2 limit 0 to 1. In both the cases, substitute the limit, you will get 1 by 2 only. Take outside, remaining 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 7 plus 7 is cancelled. 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3, 8 root 3. 8 root 3 by 2, that is 4 root 3. This is the answer. So students, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. So here I am getting doubt. 7 minus 4 root 3 means, once verify that it is positive or negative. 4 root 3, first of all, 4 root 3. This is 6.92. 7 minus 4 root 3 means 7 minus 6.92. It is greater than 0 only, not negative. So change the diagram here. Change the diagram. So answer is correct only. Just change the diagram. I think this is approximate. This is approximate. This is x is equal to 1. Now required area is this. This is the required area. Students, all of you understood now? So note down the graph. How to do the ninth question. AN be the area bounded by the curve y is equal to tan x whole power n, and the line x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to pi by 4. So that meaning is AN is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 y dx. Y dx. That means integration 0 to pi by 4. What is y function? Tan x whole power n. That is, I am writing tan power nx dx. And same as an minus 2 also. Okay. What they are asking? An plus an minus 2. So integration 0 to pi by 4. An means we know that is tan power nx. An minus 2 means integration 0 to pi by 4 tan power n minus 2 x dx. This problem already we are done in definite integration. Students, how to do this? Tell me anybody. Take tan power n minus 2 common. Then you will get tan square x plus 1 dx. 0 to pi by 4 tan power n minus 2 x tan square plus 1. Tan square x plus 1 means that is secant square x. Now this is in the form of integration f of x into f dash of x dx. Sorry, f power n of x into f dash of x dx. So that is we get tan power n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1 by n minus 1. Substitute the limits 0 to pi by 4. So what will come finally? 1 by n minus 1. Lower limit is 0. Answer is 1 by n minus 1. Which option is correct? Second option. The area of the region whose boundaries are defined by the curves y is equal to 2 cos x and y is equal to 3 tan x and the y-axis. Already we know that y is equal to tan x and y is equal to cos x curves. This is 90 degrees and this is minus 90 degrees. Minus 90. First draw the sin x curve. This is sin x curve. This point is 1. Then what about the tan x curve? Already you know very well. Tan x curve. This is tan x curve. Okay. So this is y is equal to tan x and this is y is equal to cos x. But what they are asking? What they are asking? Y is equal to 2 cos x. So this is the curve. y is equal to cos x. This is the curve. Y is equal to 2 cos x. 2 into 1, this value is 2. And y is equal to 3 cos x. Here is tan 45 degrees 1. Now 3 means I'm expecting approximately somewhere, I think here, x value. So draw the curve, that is y is equal to 3 tan x. This is y is equal to 3 tan x. Students, are you understood? Now I am going to erase that tan x and cos x curve. This is cos x curve, this is tan x curve. Now finally see that